Hello everyone, this episode we're going to talk about wireless charging again. So today the topic is why do you need to buy a Qi certified product? So talking about Qi certification, so what is Qi certification? So first, Qi is part of WPC wireless power consulting. Qi wireless charging is more mature and then is widely available in a lot of this commercially available product. It's like different phones and also a whole bunch of chargers. So what is WPC-Qi certification then? So Qi certification has two parts. So the first part is to make sure that the product follows the protocol. And the second thing is to make sure the new product that going to launch can work with all the already certified product. So don't get fooled by all these fake terms. So sometimes you can see on the website they say Qi enabled or Qi compliant or whatever, those terms, those are fake terms. So there's only one term that you can rely on, which is Qi certified, nothing else. Okay, so where to find all the Qi certified product is to go through this website and you can see the product information, what kind of power profile they supported, what is the power they supported, and so on. So only trust this website. So on the website you can find basically all this product on my table. This is a Morphe 10-watt charger. Also this one we called Tilt. It's made by some company that I forgot. Pixel stand. So all these chargers are certified. However, this one was certified and later on I don't think they pay the maintenance. So, or they may have some compliance issue with WPC new protocol, so they remove it. So now it's getting obsolete on the website. Now the question is, why do you need to buy this certified product? So there are three reasons. The first reason is safety. So when WPC tests both the transmitter, which is a charger, and the receiver, which is typically in this case is a phone, they have to go through all the compliance tests, or we call it conformance test, protocol conformance test. So one particular test in that conformance testing is to make sure that the receiver device, which is the phone, reporting a very accurate power measurement on the phone side to the transmitter. Transmitter also needs to measure a correct transmitting power. So when you have those two numbers, the transmitter can decide if there is a foreign object in the middle. For example, a coin like this one. When the transmitter has a very accurate transmitting power measurement, and also when the receiver reports that number on the receiver side correctly, then the difference in the middle is the foreign object. So then transmitter can tell if there is a real foreign object in the middle and to terminate the power transfer. It may accidentally put a coin in between the charger and the phone and cause the coin to heat up and burn your finger, or even worse case, that can cause a fire hazard.
But let me do a quick test. I put the coin on a Pixel stand and try to put a phone on top of that and see if the Pixel stand can still charge the phone. Now I see the amber light Pixel stand terminate the power transfer. I'll move the coin a little bit away and then put the phone. Now you can see the white light, so it's charging right now, and Pixel stand is trying to figure out if there is a foreign object. And you should see the amber light later. Yeah, now we see the amber light, so we are safe in this case. But keep in mind, this foreign object detection function is just a protection. You should never put any friendly metal between the charger and your device.
And then the second reason that why you should buy Qi certified product is interoperability. During certification, the Qi certification lab will test, for example, if you want to certify a phone, they will test the phone against all the certified transmitter on the market right now. So this gives you a very good confidence that if you buy a certified phone, you're going to work with all Qi certified chargers on the market. Same thing happens when you buy a Qi certified transmitter. That transmitter has been testing with all different certified phones already. Third reason is simply the certified product has better quality. When you have certification, you need to pay the cost. And usually that cost is going to your product cost. So you don't expect if you spend like $7.99 that you can buy a Qi certified or high quality product on Amazon or eBay, then the company will lose money. So typically when the product is certified, that at least they design to meet a higher bar. And that higher bar gives you a better confidence that the product is good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to learn more about wireless charging and other technologies.